Welcome to Brain Vision.
These questions, they give us an atom would have one proton, one electron, separated by 100 picometer, and ask what is the ionization energy using the Coulombs law, and what wavelength is sufficient, has sufficient energy to separate them. So the law is E, which is the energy sufficient to separate these two charged particles, would be 1/4 pi epsilon 0 times Q1, Q2, and R over R, which is R is the distance, Q1, Q2 is the charge, epsilon 0 is the constant. In this case, we have epsilon 0 equal 8.85 times 10 to the minus 12. Q1, Q2 will have the same absolute value because they are a proton and an electron, and the value will be 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. So put all of those information in here. We will have E will be equal to 1/4 pi 8.85 times 10 to the minus 12. The Q1, Q2 square in this case is a square because they have the same absolute value, with a minus because they have different charge, one positive, one negative. The distance is 100 picometer converted into meter, is 10 to the minus 10. So the product of this is 2.3 times 10 to the minus 18 joule, and we know that energy of light will be equal to hc over wavelength. So where h is the Planck constant and c is the speed of light. So wavelength equals hc divided by E. H is a Planck constant, which is 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34 June 2nd. Wavelength is 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second. So you can see that this cancel. And E in this case is 2.3 times 10 to the minus 18 joule. So you can see the product of this will be meter, and it is 8.64 times 10 to the minus 8 meter, which is 86.4 nanometer.